Ever wondered what it's like to stand inches away from the thundering waters of Niagara Falls, Canada? Well, wonder no more. Join us as we explore 3 different and exciting ways to experience the waterfalls. Niagara Falls is located on the border between the US and Canada. It's famous for having 3 incredibly powerful waterfalls that have fascinated travelers for hundreds of years. The Canadian side is called the Horseshoe Falls, which is the largest and most famous of the 3. It's magical during the day and beautiful with the light show at night. When you visit, you can hop on a boat tour that takes you right up close to the falls, allowing you to feel the mist on your face and witness the power of nature up close. The boat tour is one of the most iconic and popular attractions at Niagara Falls, with millions of visitors each year. These tours sell for around $35 for adults and $25 for kids. You won't want to miss the Journey Behind the Falls experience, where you walk through a series of tunnels that take you right behind and next to the falls, so you can get incredibly close to the rushing waters. This activity is approximately $25 for adults and $16 for children. Another way to see the waterfalls is the Skylon Tower. You take a cool 52-second ride up in a yellow bug elevator, which has a glass enclosed exterior, and then you choose to eat at the dining room that rotates 360 degrees every hour, or go up to the observation deck. The tower will bring you up 775 feet and is famous for its view of the river, the Toronto skyline, and Buffalo on the American side. Riding to the top tickets are around $20 for adults and $10 for kids. Niagara also offers a wide range of attractions, including casinos, fine dining, shopping, and many entertainment options. Getting to see the Niagara Falls up close is an amazing experience, and we hope this video captured even a fraction of its power and natural beauty. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more travel adventures.